Hey everyone, in today's video we'll go over the process of converting your recurring tasks into PM schedules. The process is very simple and very straightforward and comprises of only a few steps. The first of which is identifying which of your recurring tasks you want to convert. In my case, I'm going to convert both annual elevator inspection and annual sprinkler system inspection into PM schedules. I'll click into one, and then I'll see all the information that's been logged about the task, such as the name, the details of the work that has to get done, the category, the work or maintenance type, any checklist items, what it's related to, any attachments I've uploaded, and then up at the top you'll see how often this task reoccurs, who it's assigned to, the priority level, and then when the next one is due. With this view open, I'll go to the upper right hand corner for the ellipsis button, click it, followed by Save as a Template. What opens up is a detailed overview of the task, including various data points about it. You'll see the name at the top, the description of the work that has to get done, the category, checklists, and any added attachments. It's at this point where you can make any final edits before converting it to a template. So if you want to get more descriptive in the description section, change the category, add any more checklists, you can do all of that here. I'm good with what's written, so I'm going to click Save. And then as you can see at the top of my screen, the template has successfully created. I can either click that button to view it, or I can access it via the main template editor page, which I'll show you how to access. So we're going to close out of this modal, go to the upper right hand corner, and click Template Editor. You'll see at the top of my list is the annual elevator inspection template I just created. When I open it up, you'll see all the information about it, and you'll see if it's related to any PM schedules, any active work items that reference it, any completed ones, and any attachments. The next step is to create a PM schedule that uses the template. Think of the PM schedule as the cadence at which you want to complete the work. You'll go over to the More Options button and then click Create PM Schedule from within it. This is where you'll provide all sorts of detail about the PM schedule, such as its name, who you want to assign it to, any details about it, such as the priority, which group should appear in, what it's related to, the scheduling cadence, how often it should repeat, and then when it should start. Finally, you can indicate how far in advance of the due date you want the next PM work order to generate. So let's just quickly go through this using the information from my original recurring task. I know that I want this to be named Annual Elevator Inspection, so I'll type that in. I know that I wanted this to be assigned to Phil Dunphy. I'll set the priority to high. I want this to appear in the preventive maintenance group. It should be related to the lobby elevator. And then I want this done on a yearly basis. So I'll click yearly and then indicate what cadence over the course of a year. And we have two options. We have weekday and numeric. Numeric is very straightforward. You just say, I want this done every X amount of years on this specific day. So in this example, you can see on January 1st. Or if you want to get a little bit more granular with it, you can click weekday and then say repeat every 1 year on the first Monday of January, or maybe it's the third Tuesday of February, whatever your preference is. In my case, I'm just going to click numeric and I'll say every October 1st. I want this starting tomorrow, October 1st. And then I want the PM work orders to be generated 1 day in advance. So I'll click 1. From here, I'll click Create. And then now the PM schedule has been generated. So if I navigate to the PM schedule page, you'll see that it's been added right at the top. And by clicking into it, I can see all the information about it. I can see any active work items. So these are the active PM work orders for annual elevator inspection. I'll click into one and all the information looks exactly the same as it did with recurring tasks. You have the name, the description, the checklist items that can all be checked off. You can see that it's related to the lobby elevator. And then I have the running history and comment section on the right. Everything is all of the same. The only difference is that the template information is locked in place. So that way it keeps everything standardized and keeps things from being edited. And then we've added a little PM badge at the top of this so you can differentiate one work item from the next. Pretty easy, right? If you have any questions about any of this, please don't hesitate to reach out as we are more than happy to help. Thank you.